I'm Luigi Crema. I'm the president of Hydrogen Europe Research and director of the Center for Sustainable Energy at Fondazione Bruno Kessler in Trento. H2START is an excellent opportunity to grow a local ecosystem, this kind of infrastructures with the proper competencies, with support to education, training, and to skilling and reskilling even of personnel from other activities, is an excellent opportunity to bring out ideas, to develop novel technologies for a sector that is in a big expansion, like the hydrogen sector in Europe, and where Europe is still competitive at the global level. So this infrastructure can even activate the economic world from one side with a push effect, bringing out ideas maybe in startups and in some initial economic activities that may attract investors. On the other side, on the pull effect, trying to support enterprises and the industrial sector in entering into the hydrogen business, which is new, which will grow, and which will create, I'm sure, even an important opportunity for Bulgaria. In H2START, scientists can enter into a new environment, which is a top-level research infrastructure on the hydrogen sector. So this is something new compared to the standard small research projects and initiatives that have short-term and maybe more specific dedication. So one researcher in an infrastructure like this is feeling like part of something very big and with the possibility to impact several fields like the economic field, the industrial field, new knowledge, and even new workforce for the future to grow the sector in Bulgaria. These kinds of initiatives have a European impact. So these kind of infrastructures are very important to create through a network a support to the growth of the European hydrogen sector. So it is important that H2START will be in connection with other competencies, with other centers that are growing here and there in Europe. Centers that are at the relevant industrial scale, so not only working in small laboratories for the low TRL research, but even supporting the growth of the industrial sector. This growth for Bulgaria will be very important, impacting in having workforce in a novel sector, producing new technologies that could have an impact even in changing the industrial but even environmental profile of Europe in the future. As it was recognized by recent reports, for example, the Draghi report, as well as the ATOR or LECTA report, hydrogen is one of the main sector of competence for Europe. We are leader at the global scale in hydrogen technologies. But this competitiveness could be lost if we are not continuing to invest into the hydrogen sector at all levels. So next generation technologies, low TRL research, support improvement of existing technologies, so reducing the costs, optimizing the performances of hydrogen technologies by the industrial sector, as well supporting the education and training of new workforce and work on the sustainability and environmental profile of hydrogen technologies. All of this could be part of the mission of a research infrastructure. And if the research infrastructures could position properly in this kind of framework, they could give a very high impact in creating the future hydrogen sector in Europe, and with a very high satisfaction for those who take part to this.